Hey there, fellow business owners! Are you looking to give your Shopify store a fresh new look? Well, you're in luck because today, I'm going to introduce you to the top 7 best themes for your Shopify store. Whether you're just starting out or looking to revamp your online presence, these themes have got you covered. So let's get started. First up, we have Dawn. This minimalist theme is perfect for fashion brands and beginners alike. With a sticky header and large media capabilities, Dawn allows your product images to take the center stage, all for the unbeatable price of free. Next on our list is Local. Designed for food and drink brands and retail businesses, Local comes packed with features like a store locator and event calendar. While it may come with a price tag, its versatility and functionality make it a worthwhile investment for high-volume businesses. If you're in the electronics business or looking to expand internationally, Impact is the theme for you. With EU translations and color swatches, Impact is tailored for high-volume sellers aiming to boost conversions. Although it's a bit pricier, its built-in features make it worth every penny. Now, for brands with extensive product catalogs, Warehouse is a game changer. Equipped with a quick view and stock counter features, Warehouse can handle large collections with ease. So whether you're dropshipping or running flash sales, this theme has got you covered. Looking for a theme that balances advanced features with affordability? Look no further than Responsive. Ideal for sports and recreation brands, Responsive allows you to showcase stunning imagery and videos while keeping your budget in check. Sense is another gem in the Shopify theme collection, and the best part, it's completely free. Perfect for beauty brands and businesses with strong branding, Sense lets you tell your brand story in a big way. Plus, its enhanced search and mega menu features make navigation a breeze. Last but certainly not the least, we have Publisher. Tailored for art and music brands, Publisher boasts a contemporary design and plenty of room to tell your story. And the best part? It won't cost you a dime. So why wait? Give your Shopify store the makeover it deserves with Publisher. And there you have it, folks. Top 7 best themes for your Shopify store. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro, there's a theme here for everyone. Thanks for tuning in and happy theme hunting!